What is the probability that 3 randomly drawn real numbers between 0 and 1 have a sum less than 1? This is the kind of thing that where if you've seen it before, this is like a 5-second solve. But the idea with these is you construct a cube. All right, so we construct this cube, and what this represents is each of the numbers. So the x-axis is going to be, wait. I think this is oriented correctly. So the x-axis, for like, you choose a random point in the cube, and this ends up constructing the 3 random real numbers, because the x-axis is a random number between 0 and 1, and that'll be your first number. The y-axis is your second number, and your z-axis is the third number. And so we can interpret this geometrically. And then we can also interpret the fact that they have a sum less than 1 as this little plane. This plane here is the set of points which have sum of 1. Because this point here is 1, 0, 0. This point here is 0, 1, 0. And this point here is 0, 0, 1. And so the area of this little triangular prism is going to be base times height over 3. Which is, so the base is 1/2 times the height of 1 over 3 equals 1/6. So the area of this region of space where the sum is less than 1 is 1/6, and the total volume is 1. So the probability that when you're choosing a random point inside of a cube, the probability that lies inside of this triangular prism is 1/6. And that's your answer. Interpreting things geometrically is very powerful. And I would not be surprised if this problem has appeared in many textbooks before.